The action camera market is buzzing with anticipation as details about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro have emerged through a leak by renowned DJI insider @Osita LV. This leak, featuring an image and specifications, suggests that the upcoming device could be a strong competitor to GoPro's offerings. Osita LV shared an image allegedly showing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with specs visible on the device's lens. This follows the August 2023 release of the DJI Osmo Action 4, which has been widely acclaimed as a top rival to the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Examining the technical details, the Osmo Action 5 Pro retains the 1.3-inch CMOS sensor from its predecessor, but introduces several upgrades that could enhance its market appeal. The leaked specs indicate an aperture of f2.8 and a 155-degree field of view, promising good low-light performance and wide-angle capture capabilities. A significant improvement appears to be in battery capacity, expected to increase to 1950 mAh from the current 1770 mAh. This upgrade should provide longer recording times and improved overall usage between charges, addressing a common concern for action camera users who often find themselves in remote locations. The integration of the faster Wi-Fi 6 standard points towards enhanced connectivity options, potentially benefiting users who frequently transfer large video files or engage in live streaming activities. While not explicitly mentioned in the leak, there's speculation about the introduction of a new processor. If true, this could lead to improvements in image stabilization, video bit rates, and photographic modes. These predictions are bolstered by a recent FCC filing on July 7th, which detailed specifications for upgraded battery support and Wi-Fi capabilities, indicating an imminent launch. The timing of this potential release is critical, especially considering the expected launch of GoPro's Hero 13 Black in September. DJI's strategy appears to focus more on broadening its technological offerings rather than competing directly on sensor size with devices like the Insta360 1R 1-inch edition. DJI has been actively diversifying its product line, as seen in its historical releases and the cube-shaped modular DJI Osmo Action 2 from November 2021. This approach allows DJI to cater to different consumer needs and price points. There are also rumors of an upcoming DJI Air 3S drone, suggesting a significant expansion in DJI's product offerings. It's worth noting that this product expansion is occurring amidst external pressures, including concerns over potential U.S. market restrictions. However, DJI appears to be moving forward with its release schedule undeterred, as evidenced by these recent detailed product leaks. Given DJI's track record and the leaked features of the Osmo Action 5 Pro, both enthusiasts and professionals might view this new camera as a pivotal upgrade. As the launch date approaches, the leaked specifications not only promise enhanced performance but also indicate a significant step in DJI's ongoing innovation in the action camera space. The Osmo Action 5 Pro, if it lives up to these leaked specifications, could represent a new benchmark in action camera technology. Its combination of improved battery life, advanced connectivity, and potential enhancements in image processing and stabilization could make it a versatile tool for a wide range of users, from extreme sports enthusiasts to professional videographers. As the action camera market continues to evolve, the introduction of devices like the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro serves to push the boundaries of what's possible in portable, rugged imaging devices. This constant innovation benefits consumers by providing them with ever-improving tools to capture and share their experiences in high quality. The competition between DJI and GoPro, along with other players in the market, continues to drive technological advancements in the action camera industry. This rivalry ensures that consumers have access to increasingly capable devices, whether they're looking for professional-grade equipment or user-friendly cameras for casual use. As we await the official announcement and release of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, it's clear that the action camera market remains dynamic and competitive. The leaked specifications and rumors surrounding this device highlight the ongoing push for innovation in this space, promising exciting developments for camera enthusiasts and content creators alike.